Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Python latest version 3.14.6 on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. First go to Python official website and download it. It is python.org. Then hover mouse on this downloads. See here the latest release is Python 3.14.6. Click on downloads. See here we have two options: download Python install manager or get standalone installer for Python 3.14.6. Click on it. See download started. Go to download. See here its size is only about 29 megabytes. Click on the exe file. See here we have two options: install now and customize installation. And options: use admin privileges, then add Python to path. Okay, then if you click on this install now, it will select the defaults. If you want customize, click on customize. Optionally you can select these features. Okay, then click on next. Advanced options, I want to select all these, and this is the installation location. If you want some other, click on browse and select the location here you want. If you are okay with all this, then click on install. See, installation has been started. See, setup was successful. Click on close. Now go to all applications, then go to Python folder. Click on drop down. See here we have the Python idle, Python shell and manuals and docs. Okay, first open Python idle. See, we have installed Python 3.14.6. Now we can execute the commands. Okay, whatever you want you can execute here. Okay, the other tool is Python shell. Go to again Python folder. See, we got the same version number. You can run the same commands here as well. You can also run the same commands from the command prompt. cmd python. See, version of the Python is 3.14.6. Okay, so we have successfully installed Python 3.14.6 on Windows operating system. Okay, for more Python tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.